Hi there, welcome to SeveUp. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ivan, and in this video I'm going to be explaining how to count the number of BIM properties with Power BI using the SeveUp app, BIM dataset, and the CAD Power BI visual. Now, SeveUp provides you with loads of free templates in our freemium plan, but if you really want to get most out of it, then sign up for one of our expert plans where you can access all of the features and have the ability to create your own templates. If you already have a freemium plan, then you can simply very quickly upgrade it to an expert plan by clicking on Upgrade Your Plan when your limit is reached. Now let's start creating our custom dashboards by creating a blank SeveUp template. First of all, sign into your account on the SeveUp app. Now go to the Create Dashboard button and click on it. Then click on Start at the bottom. At the top of the page, you will see a progress bar. This is simply showing you where you are in this creation process. Now click on Select Project. Here, you click on Select Existing Project. I'm going to just select this sample project over here for now, and then click OK. Then click Next. So now we need to select our blank SeveUp template, which is this one right here called BIM IFC Start, and then press Next. The project and the template are now loaded into the wizard. Now the wizard has moved on to Select BIM Models. Now select the BIM model that you want to use. You can actually upload several BIM models at a time to allow you to merge them together and create a single dashboard. Now next, click on the Get Your Dashboards and then save your ready-to-use dashboard template on your computer. Now let's open up Microsoft Power BI Desktop. This application is absolutely free. You'll find a link below for you to head over there and download it if you haven't got it yet. So go to File and then select Browse this device. Set up the extension file as PBIT, which is the Power BI template file, and not PBIX, which is the Power BI project file. Select the file you just downloaded from the SeveUp app and then press Open. Now the file will be set up, and if you click on Load, this will start to load the document into your Power BI, which may take a little while. Now, in order to actually start working on the template, we need to save it as a PBIX file. So go to File, then Save As, and make sure the file is set as the extension PBIX. Then press Save. Okay, so I've already set up matrix and slicer visuals on this dashboard. If you'd like to see how we create those, then you can check out the video tutorials, which I will link below in the description or up here. Now I'd like to show you some details in the table format first. So click on WT Properties and then click on Table View. So the first column here is called Asset ID, and you'll see this column is in almost every SeveUp app dataset table. And that's because this column is used to create relationship between each of the tables. If we click on the model view and then click on Manage Relationships, then this shows us how these relationships are defined, and these relationships are important for accurately calculating our results and for making sure that the information that's displayed in our dashboard is actually correct. If you go back to our table again, then you'll also notice that there's name column as well as the property set name and value columns. Property set name is a container class that holds properties. So now that we've looked at the dataset to understand where the information is actually coming from, we can now click back onto the report view. And now we want to be able to count the number of properties within the BIM model. So go to the visualization pane on the right, and then under Build Visual, click on the CAD visual to add it to our dashboard. Now move it and resize it. Next, under WT Properties, drag and drop Property ID into the field box to populate the CAD visual with the data. Now click on the Format Your Visual on the visualization pane and toggle the category label to off. Then drop down the menu on Callout Value and click on the drop down menu on Display Units and choose None to change the units to Show in Full. I'm also going to change the font size here too, and you can format your font as you want it with colors, etc. To add the title to the visual, we simply click on General and then toggle Title to On, and the drop-down menu will simply open. Then write into the title box number of properties, and it will be immediately displayed inside the card visual. And there we have our finished visualization added to our dashboard so that we can easily count the number of assets. So as an example, if I select level 3 in my slicer just above, then the number of properties for that level will be displayed within our new card visual. Now we need to save our Power BI custom dashboard as a template file with the extension PBIT. To do so, just go to File, Save As, and then enter the name. Make sure that you've chosen to save it as a Power BI template file, and then press Save As. Now let's upload our new template file into the SeveUp app. To do this, we simply open the app and go to Dashboard Templates. Then click on Upload Dashboard Template button over here. Now remember, like I said earlier, this feature is only available with one of our expert plans. So if you're still using the freemium plan, you'll need to upgrade your account right now. So let's click on Data Source. Now scroll down the list and check off all the groups of tables under BIM and the BIM 3D option so that you get 3D models as well. Now add the name of your template and the description. You can also choose the language and add a cover image if you want. Then just simply click on the attach file icon and choose local source. Go to the folder and click on the custom template file, then press open. This takes us back to our wizard and we simply click on create. Our new custom dashboard template is immediately uploaded and ready to use. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. If you'd like to see more or learn more about the SeveUp app, or if you have any questions, then please don't hesitate to drop us a comment below. Or if you need, then you can also reach us via email through our website. I'll put the link into the description below. Until next time, bye.